First step in solving the Rubik's Cube is to identify the white center. Here it is. We keep the white center always on top. White center on top, yellow center on bottom. That's how you keep the cube. Now we have to make a flower on top that has the white center in the middle and 4 yellow petals, as in this example. As you can see, the cube is scrambled, but it has this flower, white center and 4 yellow petals. This step is purely intuitive, and the best way to explain it is to show you a few examples to get the hang of it. Each of the 4 petals of the flower can be solved in just 1 to 3 moves, so it's really easy and not that hard. Let's try to solve this, for example. We must identify, first of all, the 4 petals. The petals are edges, which has only 2 colors. This is not a petal because this is a corner. Look, it has 3 colors, 1, 2, 3. As you can see, this is an entire piece. So we must find the 4 petals with the yellow color. Here we have one. Here is another one, as you can see, edge, two colors. Here is another one, yellow and 2 colors. And the last one, let's see where it is. The last is here in the back. Take a look. You see? There is the last petal with the yellow color. As you can see, the first petal is solved. To solve this petal, we just turn the right side here. Look, move this petal to here. We have now 2 petals. This petal, as you can see, cannot be solved by just turning it up here. Look, it is flipped. So, in order to solve this petal, we turn the up layer to the right, and now we can move the petal up here, but using the front side. Look. So, we didn't use the left side, as you can see, because the edge will be flipped, but we use the front side. So if you cannot move a petal in the up side with one layer, surely you can move it with the other one. And now the last petal, it is back here, as you can see. We can rotate the bottom to bring this petal from here to here, and now we can turn it up here. But as you can see here, there is already a petal. So we move a petal that is not solved. This one. We move this petal in this place. And now we can move this petal in the up layer using the front layer. You see? Again, we move this petal from the bottom layer to the up layer. 1, 2. And now we have the petals all solved. Let's try another example to reach this flower. Again, white side on the top, white center on the top, yellow center on the bottom, all the time. Let's identify the yellow petals. This one is not a petal because this is a corner. Remember, corner has 3 colors. We need edges, which has 2 colors. Here is one petal. You see, yellow-green. Another petal is here, yellow-blue. And another petal is here, yellow and, let's see, orange. Okay, again, we always keep the white on top to be able to not mess up anything. And the last petal is back here, red and yellow. Let's try any petals. For example, this one can be solved in just one move. We can bring it from here to here. Good. Now, this petal, if we move it in the up layer, you can see it is flipped. So, we just do one move, and now we can move it in the up layer with the left side. Look. And now we have 2 petals solved. We have here one more petal to solve. If we move it in the up layer, there is already a solved petal here, from here to here. You see, this is a solved petal. So, we just turn the up layer to move an unsolved petal in this place. For example, let's see, let's move this green petal here. Now this is an unsolved petal, and we can move the yellow petal here. Good, now we have 3 petals solved. The last one is here, and we have to bring it up here. We can just move it from here to here, first move, and now from here up. 1, 2. Again, we move it from back here to the right side. You see, one move, and now from here to up here, 2 moves. 1, 2. And now we have again all the 4 petals. This is a purely intuitive step and you just have to practice a few times and you will get the hang of it. It's not that hard, it's really intuitive. Let's get to the next video.